Welcome to the Zach's Official. I'm Scarlett and this is
Testing.
Today we're making craft, but it's no craft. It's the one that you eat. Yeah.
I wanted to do well.
Because Kirsten is allergic.
So first we do flour. So I don't know.
You need to put 1 cup.
1 cup. Which cup? This one?
Want me pour?
The flour is really hard to put.
I want to pour it though.
Snow. Put the snow in. That's enough.
I want to pour it. I want to pour it.
Look, guys, it got in here.
Now it's my turn. Now it's my one.
Yep, because I poured the flour a bit. Kirsten gets to pour it.
Okay.
Now it's my turn.
Another one?
Like this one.
Yes, and put another one, but only half of that one.
Half of this one.
Yeah.
It looks like fairy dust. She said half.
Now
Is this half? It looks like it's all full.
Yeah. Put it.
we need a mixer.
So is that enough?
Now you need to put one tablespoon of sugar. Like 1 spoon of sugar.
Wait,
The big spoon.
so we need a big spoon and sugar.
Yeah,
We don't.
1 spoonful of sugar. Okay, put 1 tablespoon of sugar.
I don't know what's 1 tablespoon. So you just get it.
Like 1 spoonful of the big.
Okay.
Let me do one too. I want to do one.
Is that enough?
Yes.
That's enough.
I want to do now.
Kirsten will put the vanilla.
What? The vanilla?
Here.
Yeah.
Kirsten, you get to put the vanilla queen.
And then first mix all the dry ingredients.
But first mix all of the dry ingredients.
Let me mix it.
Okay. That means I get to put this then, okay?
Put like a pinch of salt.
A pinch of salt.
Just a pinch of salt. Or just one. Do it like.
Like, Kirsten, I already mixed it. Like that.
You
Put
twist
just a
it.
little
No,
bit
we
of
have to
salt.
do it. Can I do this?
Yes. Yeah, that's
I'll
enough.
do
And then
this too.
mix everything.
No, mix everything. Then do we pour this?
First we need to put.
We're gonna put the milk. You get to do 2 of these. It's heavy. If we spill some, we can just wipe it.
Yeah.
Wait.
Good.
That's enough. That's enough.
No, 1 cup. No, 1 cup. You need to fill it up.
Oh,
Okay, that's enough. Kirsten, be careful.
Whoa, my turn.
Now do we mix it?
Pour. That's enough.
Do we what else?
Yeah. So mix it. Now mix.
Mix up?
I want a spoon too. Sugar spoon.
No.
I need a spoon. Now it's my turn to mix.
No, Mom getting your spoon.
A fork. Fork. Crack all of it.
No, we have to mix it.
Okay.
Careful.
Mixy
Looks like sugar.
And it is sugar, right?
Mm-hmm.
And me
Is this a dessert?
To put 2 tablespoons of oil.
Oil?
Oil in you.
we don't have oil. There's oil.
Okay, you just need to put like half of that.
I don't know what half is. So like all of it?
You put it in here.
Yeah, just a little bit. Don't put too much because it's gonna be bitter.
Now I'm gonna pour the vanilla queen. Now we should mix it.
No, butter.
Mix. I want to smell it. Vanilla.
Now it's butter. Butter? I want to do one. I want to do.
Mix as fast as you can.
Mix na ba? Wala na bang buo-buo?
Now it's my turn.
You already put the butter in it. it was yellow. We just put it in. It was so cool. This is like fairy dust ready. What's next? Mix
Okay,
it.
so next you have to make sure that it's all mixed and there's no
Yellow bit.
yeah.
Okay, what about I do it because then I can do it faster.
Let's both do it.
It's really fast. There's no more yellow bits.
Yeah.
Yeah, because these are just all of the things mixed together.
Wait.
Right. First, we need to put this on the stove, not the spoon. This stuff. And yeah, the one that we cook. C-block. We already put one.
You got me.
Bloggy, do you like it?
I want to see. I want to see.
We're gonna spread the Nutella.
Let's both do
The
it.
secret Nutella.
Both do it.
Nutella, 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 Nutella. We put Nutella on our toast. Dun, 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 dun. Now we need more.
Wait, what? There's a bit more.
Yeah.
Spread. Now more. And
It's gonna get lots.
this is mine. Mine.
Spread, spread, spread. It's so hard to spread.
Just do it.
Oh,
The one without eggs. Eggless crepe.
I know how to say it. Eggless crepe. We made this. Is it good? Can I try a bite?
No, like yours.
Oh, you will be good.
Yum.
How was it?
Yummy.
Do you like it?
Scarlett, did you try it?
No, she's not letting me. Some more strawberry. Strawberry, 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 blueberry, blueberry. Thank you, Annie Jennifer.